It says, girl, you are the boss, because we are talking about Amrezy, we are talking about Norvina, we are talking about Anastasia Beverly Hills, and they're all girl bosses, so I thought it was very appropriate for today's video. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is an exciting one and I have no highlighter on. It is on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter that is launching very, very soon. So I am super, super pumped. I'm a highlighting fiend and I know Amrezy is too. That's one thing we have in common, and if you have that in common, then you need to watch this video. So we're gonna be reviewing and then also a first impressions on this highlighter. I didn't even swatch it yet because I wanted to film it on camera because I have extremely high hopes because I know that girl loves to glow and I feel like it has to be completely amazing. We will see. And just because this was sent to me does not change my opinion in any way. I know I don't have to let you guys know that, but I just always like to say it just in case there is anyone new on my channel. I'm always 100% honest with you guys, and it is really cool to receive PR, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys supporting me and watching my channel and liking my looks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you are new and you aren't a part of the fam yet. I would love to have you here, and thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on today's video that I am so excited to be filming. All right guys, so jumping right on in to the video, I do have no highlighter on and I didn't add my blush on. I literally just have bronzer and contour because I do wear more luminous products on my skin, but I did skip the highlighter and the blush so we can see the full-blown glow. And I probably would never wear a highlight without any makeup anyway. It's like all or nothing for me, so I didn't really think that in this video I needed to show how it applied on my cheek without any makeup. If I'm wearing a beaming highlight, I got a face like this happening. And then I also have a bunch of comparisons of other highlighters that are similar and popular highlighters so you can see how it compares to those ones. How I like to do my reviews is I like to kind of give you as much information as I have that I've researched and kind of gotten online so I can share with you guys when it's launching, how much it's going to cost, how much product is in the container, and all of that. Everything packed into one video. All right, you guys, so the PR package looks like this. The outside is like pure glitter. It's so beautiful. I wish you could see it in real life how glittery it is. And then inside you see this beautiful photo of Amrezy glowing to the gods in her like signature makeup look wearing the highlight, and it looks bomb. And then also inside the PR package you get 2 phone cases, has glitter all inside. It's really cool. You get the highlighter in the center and then you get this beautiful mirror. I don't think they're going to be selling the other products. They were just specifically for PR, but I know Norvina was saying they're going to announce a giveaway to win one of these. All right, you guys, so let's dive in to this baby right here. Here is the beautiful highlighter. The packaging is super secure and sturdy and just really, really nice. On the back, she did write a little note to her Rezy riders, which are her supporters, and it says, "I live for the perfect glow. It's a constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish." I like the sounds of that because second skin highlighters are like my thing. This collaboration with ABH brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this sun in a compact with my Rezy riders, Amrezy. And fun fact, the first palette I ever bought from Anastasia Beverly Hills was actually the Amrezy collaboration like a couple years ago. I love that palette. I still have it somewhere in this collection. So I just thought that was kind of cool. It actually kind of brought me back when I was reading that. So that was a really sweet, thoughtful quote to add on to every single compact that someone does buy. Here is the beautiful highlighter, and I am so in love with this. I cannot wait to put this on my cheek. If I didn't receive this in PR, I would have bought it without swatching. I don't really need to swatch for me to buy makeup because I'm just sick when it comes to makeup. I need it all. One of my personal favorite highlighters is Melt Cosmetics Stargazer, and this is more of a gel-based highlighter. It does give you that second skin so you don't see any grittiness on the cheek. To me, this formula looks more of a gel-based formula. I don't know that 100%. I tried to look it up, but I couldn't find it. But to me, it does look like a very finely milled, beaming gel second skin highlighter. So that's what I'm gonna say. This highlighter is launching on February 14th, Valentine's Day, on Anastasia's website for $28. Anastasia never really launches an exact release time. You just have to kind of keep checking. They just don't want their website to overflow and, you know, crash and all of that. So one thing though, I normally order from Anastasia's website on launch dates before I got added to PR, and they always have a really good amount of product. It doesn't normally sell out until later in the day after it launches. That's just from my experience as a customer. Then their shipping's really fast too, and it comes by FedEx, which I appreciate. This collaboration will definitely be going into stores, but it will be launching in stores in March. There isn't an exact date, but that means Sephora, Ulta, Namies, Nigel's, Macy's, anywhere Anastasia is sold. Anastasia is also a cruelty-free brand, so of course this highlighter is cruelty-free. I'm unsure if it's vegan or not, but I will list that in the bottom bar as soon as I find out. In this compact, it actually has 9 grams, which is really, really nice for $28. That's a good amount of product. So that is actually the same amount that's in the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighters. And then it is 1 gram more than like a Becca highlighter. From what I understand, this highlighter is supposed to be very versatile and perfect for every skin tone. And I feel like if you follow Amrezy and know her personality, she probably honestly tried it on so many people and really made sure that it was great for everyone. All right, guys, so with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and try this on. I'm so excited. So I'm going to apply it with 2 different brushes. These are my 2 favorite brushes to apply my highlighters. I do switch it up. So this is a synthetic fan brush by Royal & Langnickel, and then this guy is by Real Techniques. I really like this one for highlighting. I think it's a contour brush and it's more of a duo fiber. And I am gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see it up close and how it applies. Here's the gorgeous highlighter up close and personal before we ruin it and try it on, but that's okay. So when I'm using a brush like this, I kind of go in with the side of it and then run it across my cheekbones. I'm gonna pick up some product. There's literally no kickback to it. It definitely seems like a gel-based highlighter, very similar to the Melt Cosmetics. Are you guys ready? Wow. I'm in love. So you can definitely get a more subtle highlight with it, but I can see this is gonna build up beautifully. There's literally no kickback or pigment flying anywhere. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I kind of have to keep looking because I don't want me to get out of focus. Wow. Okay, so I did go back in right here and I just touched up my foundation because my brush was still a little bit wet from brush cleaner. My bad, but I made it work. This highlighter is literally stunning. I absolutely love it. I love the color, and I just think it's so amazing that so many different skin tones put this on and it just looks just as beautiful on everyone else. It's not gray or ashy or anything. I love it. I'm very, very impressed with it, and I know right away with a highlighter if I love it or hate it. It's like love at first swipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my fan brush. I already applied a little bit on here, but still like no fallout. It's really, really nice. Yes. Okay. That's like one swipe. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to feel right now. So I already have gloss on, so I'm gonna actually pop this on my cupid's bow with my finger. Put it on my nose. And then just to let you guys know, I don't color correct my videos because I don't know how. So this is just like raw footage of the glow, and this looks like Facetune. So you guys just witnessed it too, that beam as soon as I touched my cheek with this highlighter. I did not need a lot of product. There was literally no fallout in the pan. It definitely seems very gel-based to me, and it's 100% a second skin. I think if you were wearing no foundation at all and you just popped a little bit on your cheekbones, it would still be glowing to the gods, but like you wouldn't detect makeup on your face, if that makes sense. It would just melt into the skin. It is a very different formula than their original glow kits for sure. Their original glow kits are a little bit more glittery, which I don't mind. I'm a huge fan of their glow kits, but this magic right here, so freaking impressed. You need this in your life. February 14th, 100%. There it is, right there. So guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except I love you and thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me that you took time out of your day to watch this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It would mean so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! This glow though, I'm so excited.